Oh, oh, hey. Thank you, Jesus.
Yes, for this powerful anti-aging facial cream, we are going to be needing aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very good one for you. It is a great one for your skin. It helps to fight against premature aging. It helps to cool your skin because of the cooling properties that it's got. It helps to eliminate sunburn. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation. It lightens dark spots. And it helps to reduce infection. It clears acne. So that is the reason why I am using this aloe vera as our base moisturizer. Okay? It helps to moisturize the skin as well. It leaves your skin feeling supple and clean. Yes. So right here, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of aloe vera. And now the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a very good one. It helps to glow your skin beautifully, fam. Turmeric oil is loaded with antioxidants. It helps to detoxify your skin. It purifies impurities on the surface of your skin. Yes, it is a very good one when it comes to fighting against premature aging. Yes, turmeric oil, it is a very good one for you. It is loaded with anti-inflammatory. So if you're looking for that oil, that perfect oil that will serve as your facial moisturizer, look for turmeric oil. So that is the reason why I am going to be adding it to this facial cream. This facial cream is not for you alone, auntie, okay? Use it with uncle as well. All right, let's not be too selfish, okay? Make sure you share with your husband or you share with your brother, okay? Yes. So the next ingredient right now that I'm going to be adding is orange oil. You all know we have orange oil on this channel, so I'm going to be leaving the link in the description area for you to watch how to make your own orange oil. It is a very good one, fam. Yes, you can literally use this one as your facial moisturizer, no problem. But this one that we are making today, it is an extraordinary anti-aging facial cream. So do not joke with it. All right, so I'm going to be right now adding a tablespoon of orange oil. It is a very good one. If you try out this mixture on your face, you are not going to regret it at all. It doesn't matter if you've got oily skin or you've got dried skin, use it. It is a very good one for all skin types. And the next ingredient that I'm going to be using is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a very good one for your skin, fam. It helps to moisturize your skin. It hydrates your skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin. Yes, it is a very good exfoliant. So if you're looking for that powerful oil that will help to exfoliate your skin beautifully, look for rosehip oil. Okay? It helps to boost your collagen. Yes. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentation. It prevents sunburn as well. Yes, but if your cream is already harsh, if you're using a very harsh cream, there is no need for you to add rosehip oil. You can use it occasionally to treat skin problem like scar, like sunburn, that kind of scar that looks like African map. Yes, you can use this one to treat it separately, maybe for some days, then you drop it aside and continue with your cream. But for this very one, because it is an organic cream, that is the reason why I'm adding rosehip oil. So look for it if you don't have it. It is a very good one. Okay, and right now I'm going to be adding some drops of this rosehip oil. You can see, if you're buying this type, just try and get it to the middle of the syringe. Okay, that will be about 8 drops. Okay, but I'm going to be adding more. That's about 16 drops. The reason why I'm confident adding this rosy oil is because of the base moisturizer, which is aloe vera. It is a very good one. It helps to cool your face. So right now I have got 24 drops of rosehip oil. That's much, isn't it? Yes. The reason why I'm so confident using it is because I've got aloe vera here. So it's not going to be too harsh on my skin. Just take a look at this goodness. Take a look at this goodness, fam. Did you see that? So just do this and keep it in an airtight container and you're good to go. Yeah, and I want to say a very special thank you to everyone of you that have been watching and sharing my videos. Oh my goodness, thank you all so much. To all my subscribers, I want to say I love you all. Honestly, you guys are amazing. Thank you all so much. And I got a couple of questions in my last video. Yeah, the recent one before this one coming up now. Yeah, that facial soap, the anti-aging soap that will make you to look 18 even if you are 50. Yeah, it is a very good one, and I would advise you use 1 bar. Okay, if you don't want it to stay too long, because you're going to be using it as a facial cream, just use 1 bar. Okay, then you will not divide the ingredients that I used, all right, into 2. Okay, yeah, for instance, instead of 49 grams of ginger powder, you can now use like 24 and half gram. Okay, yes, just do the division yourself and mix it together and you're good to go. In that case, you don't need to keep it for too long. And you all know that we can't do without honey for preservative. Yes, honey and vitamin E. So I'm going to be using a capsule of vitamin E to seal this up and a spoon of honey. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to be adding half a tablespoon, okay, of honey. Honey is a very good one for you. Honestly, it is loaded with antioxidants. It helps to fight against premature aging, and it serves as preservative to this DIY facial cream as well. So that is the reason why I added honey. Okay, and right now here I've got vitamin E capsule, and I'm going to be adding 1 to it as preservative. Sorry, I lost some, so I'm going to be adding 1 more. In the process of trying to open it, I lost some. If you can get the bottle of this vitamin E, it's better. But I, for one, I just feel so confident using the one of pharmacy. Yes. So, as you can see, our facial cream is ready. Yes. Just take a look at this goodness, fam. This is a very powerful one, honestly. Remember, this is not for ladies only, all right? You can use it with your husband. Here you go. Our facial cream is ready. Yes, and I want to say thank you all so much for always watching, liking, sharing, and commenting. Yeah. Bye. Bye.